Have you ever wondered how scientists measure time intervals with such precision? It all comes down to a simple yet essential tool, the stopwatch. Introduction. Hello, aspiring physicists. Welcome back to Mind Over Physics. Today, we're delving into the role of the stopwatch in physics, a fundamental instrument for accurate time measurement in experiments. What is a stopwatch? A stopwatch is a device designed to measure the time interval of an event with high precision. It operates by pressing a start button to begin timing and a stop button to end it, allowing users to record the exact duration of events. Types of stopwatches. Analog stopwatches. These traditional devices use mechanical movements and can measure time intervals up to 0.1 seconds. They typically have a knob for winding the spring that powers the watch, which also functions as the start, stop, and reset button. Digital stopwatches. Modern digital stopwatches are commonly used in laboratories and can measure time intervals up to 0.01 seconds. They feature electronic displays and separate buttons for start, stop, and reset functions. Interesting fact: the first high-frequency stopwatch, known as the compteur de tierce, was produced in 1816 by Louis Moinet. This groundbreaking invention could measure time intervals with remarkable precision, laying the foundation for modern timekeeping in scientific experiments. Humorous fact: why did the physics student carry a stopwatch to bed? They wanted to see how fast they could catch some Z's. Conclusion: the humble stopwatch plays a pivotal role in physics, enabling precise measurement of time intervals essential for experiments and discoveries. Whether mechanical or digital, its accuracy helps scientists explore the laws governing our universe. Thanks for tuning into Mind Over Physics. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of stopwatches, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating physics insights.